Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we'll be working on 2016 Porsche Targa 4S and for some minor body work, rear bumper. Let's go take a look. Some minor damage right here to the bumper, so we'll remove the bumper, repair it, repaint it, and send this car back home. Alright, we got the car on the left. Let's remove the bumper. We're gonna strip this bumper, repair it, primer it, and paint it. Alright, the bumper is ready for primer. Came out clean, like nothing ever happened. We'll primer this bumper and paint it tomorrow. Alright, the bumper is primered, ready for paint. Alright, we got the bumper and the spray booth. We already threw some base and some paint. So now all we have to do is clear the bumper. Bumper painted. We'll put it together. The bumper is ready. Time to install it. Porsche is all done. Came out clean like nothing ever happened. Time to take her to the car wash, get it washed, detailed, and ready for delivery. And once the car comes back, we'll put the emblems. Just picked up the car from the car wash. It looks super clean, ready for delivery.
Your style, put you in Chanel cause it's just perfect for your smile. Girl, I swear for you I'd run the world, I'd run the miles. The way you look at me, I think I'm going insane. It's crazy how we started out to what the love you can't. You need me, say my name. Don't ever hesitate. It's 2 AM outside, when I'm with you I feel way too high. You know you got me going crazy, baby. I just need to know that you will stay, please, yeah. With you I feel too high. I feel too high. Yeah, it's going on with you, I feel high. You got me going crazy, stone cold up on my blood.